Welcome to Schweigen, the home of silent range hoods. Modern induction cooktops have revolutionized the way we cook at home. They can boil water within seconds and are cool to touch, making them very safe for you and your family. Induction cooktops produce a lot of heat very quickly. This can create excessive condensation in the kitchen and in surrounding areas of your home. Over time, this condensation can degrade your appliances and the health of your home. Here are some helpful tips to help you prevent excessive condensation. Make sure that your range hood is installed by a qualified professional following the installation guide provided by Schweigen. Install the range hood at the recommended height above the induction cooktop. 5 to 10 minutes before you start to cook, turn on your range hood to allow the components to warm up and get the airflow circulating. Always start your cooking with a low to medium heat and allow time for your range hood to warm up. After you've finished cooking, let your range hood run for 5 to 10 minutes. This will help clear the remaining vapours from the flue. And finally, clean and maintain the filters regularly, as the buildup of grease can slowly degrade the range hood's longevity and performance over time. We hope this video has helped clear the air on how best to use your Schweigen silent range hood for all your induction cooking. For more information, please visit our website. Schweigen, simply silent.